Morgan Stanley versus HSBC USA, which is better? In this video, we'll be comparing Morgan Stanley and HSBC USA to help you determine which financial institution suits your needs best. Links to both products are provided in the description below for easy access. Let's break down the key features, who each service is designed for, and what they bring to the table. Morgan Stanley is renowned for its wealth management and investment services, focusing on high net worth individuals and investors looking for personalized financial strategies. It offers comprehensive wealth management solutions, including portfolio management, retirement planning, estate management, and tax strategies. Morgan Stanley also has a global reach, providing access to institutional investment products and top-tier financial research. It's an excellent choice for those seeking in-depth financial guidance, whether you're a seasoned investor or looking for personalized advice to grow your wealth over the long term. Their advanced tools and expertise make it ideal for people with complex financial needs. On the other hand, HSBC USA is part of the global HSBC Group, which offers banking services that cater more to the everyday consumer as well as businesses. They provide a broad range of services, including savings and checking accounts, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards, and investment products. HSBC USA also stands out for its international banking capabilities, offering global financial solutions that can be particularly appealing to expatriates or those doing business internationally. HSBC USA offers competitive interest rates, a strong mobile banking platform, and the ability to manage accounts globally, which makes it a great choice for customers with international banking needs or those looking for a solid and everyday banking experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for top-tier wealth management and investment services, Morgan Stanley is the better choice. However, if you need a reliable, globally connected bank with a wide range of accessible services, HSBC USA may be the right fit for you. For more information, check the description for direct links to each service.